This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another review. In fact, I have a computer for you guys. We have Lenovo IdeaPad for you guys with 15.6-inch display with Intel i3 with 8 GB of RAM and 256 SSD cards. That could be M2 drive. Lovely looking machine, has the silver. So let me show you the ports, guys. You can see here it has one power port, you can see here, then USB port, HDMI you have here, then C port. That is very interesting, very good for webcam, for headset with C port connector. Then you have 3.5mm jack hole, nothing this sides. This side we don't have anything at all. You can see here nothing at all. This side we have couple of ports. We have full SD card slot, so you can use micro, big, whatever you want, and another USB port. So lovely, many connectivity we have. This side of the computer we don't have anything at all. On the back side you see some information, hole for the heatsink, a rubber grip here and here too. Let me open this machine. I put here and try to open this one. Let's see with one hand I can do as MacBook or no, we can't do that as MacBook, but doesn't matter. Here we go. Comes with Intel i3 processor. You can scan for e-support IdeaPad. This machine is touchpad, quite lovely, good size. The keyboard look more or less as a MacBook. MSI, check the video description if you want to know more about those computers. And here this side you have logo of Lenovo written, number pad. You can see how beautiful. Here you have the power button and a lead. You have a hole for a speaker. I think this one you can fold this one all the way. You can see has this 180 degree. You can fold. This is lovely thinking on this case. At the top here you can see you have a webcam as well for Zoom, Skype, other type of services. Display 15.6-inch full HD. Here we go. Doesn't have any operating system, so I will install Windows and continue. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.